Project Bark. Be aware, responsible, and kind.
Alright guys, we know you are all stuck at home, probably bored, looking for something to do. Every time you come here, everyone asks us, I want to see the puppies, I want to see the puppies. We got special permission today to take you through our puppy pod to see all the little cuties we have back there. So follow me, let's check them out. So I'm thinking maybe we want to meet one of these puppies. This is a little girl. She is about 2 months old. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. This little girl does not have a name yet. Maybe you guys could help us come up with a name for her. We're going to take her back to the classroom to play with her now. All right, we are back in the education room now with our sweet little puppy without a name. We're just getting to know her, giving her some toys and treats, getting her some time out of the cage. And so we're just going to let you watch her play for a little bit and see if you get any great name ideas.
Kiddos, you can't name her like Wigglebutt or anything. Something cute and creative. She likes the love.
And what I noticed right now is she's not chewing on her nails. It's very rare for a puppy.
Project Bark. Be aware, responsible, and kind.
Hey, you want to see some more videos from Charleston Animal Society? Just click subscribe.